Hello folks, it's me again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, click the buttons, below, whatever you gotta do. This video is basically more junk I was cleaning. I cleaned off some of these. Gave it just soap and water treatment. Looks kind of nice. Where isn't her battery? Found my other battery. I cleaned this one off. I cleaned... This one looks really nice. I cleaned that one. Is it 86? That writing on it be 80. And 85 or 87, I think. I put this one in the bag because this one's a really nice one. I just want to make a nice looking 86 bike. The other two I'll just use the other drivers. This one is another 86, but it doesn't, it looks like it's got dirt stains, but it's okay. I cleaned off this little part here. I cleaned off some other little pieces. I don't know if you can see that in there. I'll show you. I was cleaning off rubber parts. See, it's like 4 years old and looks kind of new. This is the cleaned off some of it. I couldn't really, for some reason, I don't really have a good sink set up, so I did clean off some of these that look nice. Why nobody reproduces these is beyond me, but it would seem a 3D scan, you get a little thing here and should be good. But so I cleaned off 1, 2, and 3 of them. Came out pretty decent. So those are going to finished pile. I didn't clean out some other, I had a lot of plastic stuff and I didn't feel like cleaning it all out. It was just like meh. There's a whole lot of meh going on. So I put that in the pile over here. I think I have 6 sets of taillights because I bought a rack and had a little piece. A lot of the taillight parts were busted. One has the little screw came out, so I'm gonna have to take some, probably heat it up and put it back in, put some epoxy, see if I can get it to work good. What else here? Taking my stuff out of the bags, I brought it all back. I know you probably want to see some videos of me doing some work, but I'll get to that. I bought one of these because I thought they were cute. Isn't it cute? Box in here. Oh, come on, man. You know, I really like real bags for these shitty used ones. Anybody shop at Price Chopper? I do. I don't know how some people shop there though. I see things at Price Chopper that are 3 times the price as Walmart. So I don't know how people survive these days. I really feel bad. I mean, I'm not rich. I don't like. I have a little budget for bike parts, which I've been carefully buying, and I don't understand how people survive today. I cleaned this off a little bit. Just cleaned the dirt off. Wiped it down. It was just mostly dirt stuck in there. I probably could do a better job. I would have brought proper pieces over. I cleaned. Sorry about that. Somebody called me in the middle of the video. I cleaned off this rubber piece. I cleaned off this. I just used a little cloth and cleaned it. I don't remember what the hell this is called. Whatever. It's for Honda. Cleaned it. I cleaned off some more rubber parts. A whole bag of, I think these are the seat post things. I'll show you. The little, I learned after you clean some of them, like, sometimes it is good to buy new ones because some of these things are crap. Some are just crumbly and torched. So there's just, like, I didn't clean these ones. They're all dirty. It's the side cover things, plastics. Mostly all just plastic stuff I cleaned. Like, I didn't get a chance to clean the cage mount there, where the front cage goes on. And if you're watching my channel, you know what I'm talking about. Sorry. It's just, what is it? See, like this. I think that's for an 86. And CDI box. See, this one is in very well. I think there's an 85. See the clip in there? And then the other one is round one, 86. Or 85 and 86. So, but anyway. Mostly trying to clean up plastic parts. I'll be doing more and more plastic parts. There's not many plastic ones to clean, but I cleaned this one. I think they still make these. So I have one that literally feels like it's cement. So anyway, that's what I got cleaned. It's like, how exciting, man. Putting if I had a whole table to spread out here, if I cleaned the mess up, is what I'm saying. I had a whole spread, I could lay it all out, get all the parts in. I'm working on it. I swear I'm working on it. So with that said, it's just some of the things I've been doing. I'm pretty sure you didn't want to watch an 1.5-hour video of me sitting there cleaning parts. Maybe you did. Maybe you want to. Maybe you want the 1.5-hour video sped up into like 2 minutes. I don't know. But I really don't think anybody really wants to see and done. I've done a few videos like that. I'll do a few little like snippets, but no. So with that said, that's what I've been doing with the bike. Nothing very interesting. Nothing too wild yet. I'm gonna be putting the rear swing arm on very soon, so I'll make a video of me putting it back together. Oh, and I'm waiting for the things for the shocks. I need a spring compressor, because I am going to take apart 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I have 5 sets of shocks. I'm gonna put a nice shock back together. And sorry about that. My phone cut out again. Apparently I ran out of space, so I'm recording on an iPhone. I don't have a $40 million budget here, so it's my phone. So anyway, with that said, thanks for watching. I'll pretty much get all the parts sorted out, and I'll be back in business putting that thing back together. So take care. Thanks for watching, and toodles.